In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add something to your Temu order. If you've already started an order and realized you forgot an item, don't worry. In many cases, you may still be able to add another product, especially if the order hasn't been fully processed yet. I'll walk you through the full process in a simple and easy way. First, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your current order and shopping activity. After logging in, head to your current order or your shopping cart, depending on where your purchase is in the process. At this stage, the important thing is to check whether your order is still eligible for changes. Some orders can only be updated for a short period before they move into processing, so availability may vary. If the option is still there, you'll be able to continue. Next, browse through Temu or use the search bar to find the item you want to add. This is the same as shopping normally, so take a moment to make sure you've found the correct product. Once you open the item page, choose any required options, such as the size, color, style, or quantity. It's a good idea to double check these details before moving forward so you don't accidentally add the wrong version. After that, tap Add to Cart. This places the new item into your cart just like any regular purchase. If your original order has not been processed yet, Temu may show you an on-screen option that lets you combine the new item with your existing order. If that option appears, follow the prompts carefully to link the additional item to the order you already placed. Once that's done, review your updated order details. Look over the item list, pricing, shipping information, and the new total cost. This step is important because adding an item can affect the final amount you'll pay, and in some cases it may also affect shipping timing. Finally, confirm the changes if Temu gives you that option, or complete checkout for the additional item if required. The exact screen may look a little different